Kitty Cat Girl. Please, Ep.5 here with a new video. I don't know if you liked that kind of intro. I know it wasn't really an intro. Really, I just played some music, and I don't think I'm gonna get copyrighted because it was on Musically, and it was all you know what I'm talking about. Oh, someone just texted me. I need to reply back. Okay. So, did that. So, in a tree, if you know what I mean. But, yeah. Okay, I need to check one more thing. Actually, it might be a while because... Oh, geez, I heard my bird. Why is it dark? Oh, it's raining and it's laggy. I hope you don't mind. I just need to, just be here for a second because it's really laggy. So, yeah. Sorry, I just need to check something. But, yeah. Hopefully it won't be as laggy. I have an idea. Maybe I'll just get back to you when it's not as laggy. Here. Okay, so guys, it's a little less laggy, so I'm just going to build some more. Sorry if you can hear my monitor in the back, or computer. Okay, so I need to get string to make a fishing rod so I can get fish so I can tame little ocelots. So I'm just gonna add this little thing. I know it's not gonna do much, but I really need to find sheep so I can make a bed. I have iron, but I just need some sheep to shear, so there. So then also I made these little stairs. It goes 2 to 1. That's kind of scary. So I should probably fix that. Then we're just gonna go mine for a little bit. But first I need to make a new iron pick because mine's about to break. Let's get my materials. Gonna need Okay, I'm just gonna put that away. I still have my sword and stuff, so let's get crack-a-lacking. That made no sense. So, wait, do I have torches in here? I should probably have torches if I have torches. No, I do not. Do I have coal? Wait, I should... Oh, I have torches right in my hand as I said that. Wait, I have iron smelted, so I can just make an iron pick. I felt like I said that so weird. Now let's put the rest of this stuff in here. Oh, I still need the wood. So that should be good for right now. Okay. I think I'm just going to strip mine a little bit, then yeah. So isn't it an iron pick? What the heck? I just got that thing. Achievement. I mean a kitty cat girl made an iron pick. I don't really like when I get those achievements up on the screen. Here. Let's go over here and start mining this way. I bet I'm not gonna run into a cave like this, so I'm probably gonna go down in a little bit. like more. Maybe should I just go back to that cave? Or should I not? Let me place a torch. Still have not ran into anything. Oh, I lied. There's iron right here. Oh my gosh, my bird. I think I'm going to start mining down, just like right here. Obviously not straight down, because you could end up in a pool of lava like that. But oh, sorry, you're probably going to be like, there's no noise. If you want, I can add music so that like part has music, because I was just like not talking at all. So future Ella, put some music. I feel like there's lava. No, there's not. Bird, you keep on getting in my way. Here, I'm gonna put my bird up here for right now. Come on, birdie. Up here. Up here, birdie. Up here. You're gonna sit here for now because I don't want you following me. Because you could end up in a pool of lava. Wait, am I doing this the wrong way? Oh, no, I just started going down. Da, da. I'll be right back when I hollowed out more space. Is that music better? Apparently it's not supposed to, it's not copyrighted, so, oh, I'm going up. Or am I? No. Ah, ow. I can't see, so I must place the torch. Oh. Oh. I guess we're turning this way now. Why can't I just run into a cave already? I really wish I had that extra now. But of course, I do not cheat. That was just the... I hear water. I hear water. I swear I hear water. Or lava. I swear I do. I hear lava. I know you guys can't hear that, but... I know you guys can't hear that, but... I hear lava. I want to go straight down, but I can't. my pick's gonna break, so when it breaks, then I'll stop mining. Torch time. Oh. Some coal, that would be handy. Okay, I'm sorry that I'm like not talking that much. I'm very sorry about that. I'm just very focused on mining. So after this video is done being posted, I'll post a new video where I'm talking and we'll like do my house, but I'll need to get some materials off camera. And my pick just broke, so I guess that will be the end of the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I can't control this. It's very weird. That's better. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a like. I would appreciate that. So see you guys later, and next video we will build my house, and I'll make that right after this video. So bye guys!